guys, Cool Size here. Right now we're here with another video. Today, really different. My mom is recording behind the background. So today, we're going to explode that pumpkin because today's Halloween. Come on. Come on over. Come on. So I made this in school, and I'm about to explode it. I'm going to go on top of my roof, go drop it, and it's going to explode. So let's just pick it up and let's take it. Oh wait, can you hear that sound? Like, it's my dog painting. I don't know if I can. ¿Sí me puedes ayudar? No, así. The pumpkin, and oh, my mom helped me right there. But I'm going to explode it up there, this right here, and drop it. I don't know if it's gonna explode. Okay, let's do this. Ah! Pumpkin! Oh my God! Let me get down. Let me get down. Oh my God! Look at this! This is from like September. But oh, look at all this. Oh my God. Ew. That's really heavy. And it opened from right here. I don't know. Oh my God. Woo! Oh my God. Look at this. That's really awesome. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you next time. I don't know if my dogs are gonna eat it. Hands from the paint. Like, actually, this is really messy because the pumpkin. So yeah. Well, I already did an ending, so let's do this again. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe, comment, like. Wait, first, let me show you how my two dogs look like. Hi, Brandy, what you doing? Nova? Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. That's their cage inside here. That's Nova and that's Brandy. He has no tag. Nova bit it from him. Get out, Nova. Get out. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you next time.